Hey you, yeah you. Want to know the secret to becoming rich? Spoiler alert, it's not about working yourself into exhaustion, it's about something way more powerful, thinking differently. Let's face it, most people are stuck in a cycle. Wake up, go to school, work a job, spend money, repeat. Then wonder, why am I always broke? But what if I told you that real wealth starts in your mind? First up, your beliefs. Most of us grow up hearing stuff like, money doesn't grow on trees, rich people are greedy, only lucky people get rich. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Your thoughts create your reality. If you believe you'll always be broke, you probably will be. Time to clean out those limiting beliefs and replace them with, I can learn to manage money. Wealth is a skill, not luck. Next up, growth mindset. That's when you believe you can get smarter, better, and wealthier over time. People with a growth mindset don't say, I'm bad with money. They say, I'm still learning how to handle money, and I'm getting better. Instead of waiting for someone to hand them a job, they look for ways to earn, create, and build. Let's be honest. School doesn't teach you how to invest, save, or build passive income. But guess what? The info is out there. You've got podcasts, YouTube channels like this one, books, apps, mentors. Start learning about budgeting, investing, entrepreneurship. Knowledge is wealth, my friend. You don't need $1 million to start thinking like a millionaire. Start small, start smart, start now, sell something, learn a skill, save a little, reinvest it. It adds up faster than you think. Let's run it back. Step 1, challenge your limiting beliefs. Step 2, adopt a growth mindset. Step 3, learn real money skills. Step 4, take action, even if it's small. Becoming rich isn't just about money, it's about mindset. Think different, act different, and your results will be different. If you're ready to level up your mindset, smash that like button and subscribe for more real talk on money, motivation, and building your best life.